In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to access the different levels for configuration. Firstly, press the page key until you come to Access. Press the scroll key to show code 0. Press the up arrow key for code 1. Observe pass. Press the scroll key for go to and press the up arrow key for full. In this level, whilst pressing the page key, you'll observe other lists appear, such as the SP list, the IP list, the OP list, comms and info. Press the page key once more for access, press the scroll key again, and once more for go to. Press the up arrow key and select conf. Press the scroll key for conf 0 and enter number 2. Observe conf pass. You're now in the full configuration level of the controller. You'll now access to the configuration parameters, and by pressing the page key, you will notice now you have the other parameters in the list where you can change the outputs, the inputs, and the configuration of the controller. To exit, page to exit, press one of the arrow keys to select yes, and this will restart and go back to your normal operator level.